In the next lesson, we will talk about components, the command at the right of the command window. Here, we can find the categories that don't have a specific command, unlike doors and windows, for example. So, furniture, plumbing fixtures, casework, or lighting, even others, go to this list. As in the beginning, the families loaded are not a lot, it means that we probably have to load the Autodesk families here. First of all, I'm going to create a copy of both floor plans. And I will start with the ground floor. Click with the right button, go to Duplicate, and this time select this option, Duplicate with Detailing. As you can see, the rooms, as they are annotation elements, are preserved. Then I have to rename the new view to Ground Floor Furnished. After, I'm going to do the same, but for the first floor. Again, Duplicate with Detailing, and then just rename this view as well. Then, as in this chapter, we want to insert some elements like furniture, plumbing fixtures to the bathrooms, or the components for the kitchen. Let's make two 3D views, one for the ground floor and other for the first floor. Now, let's open the 3D ground floor, and I'm going to activate this option, section box. With this, we can control, with the help of these grips, the part of the project that I want to show on this view. Let's have it in a way that I can see all the rooms in the ground floor. Like this. Perfect. Now let's switch to the first floor. I'm going to do the same, but in this case, I am going to put the visible section up to this height. So now I can see everything on the first floor. Now let's go to the kitchen and insert some casework, as well as a sink. To do so, I'm going to the Insert tab and load Autodesk Family. In this window, I'm going to choose Casework and load a couple of families in my project. In our example, we are going to insert this Casework base, this another one, and a countertop, this one. Now on the Architecture tab, click on Components, and I'm going to insert first this casework. I select a type and place it in the corner. But before clicking on it, look that I am able to rotate by pressing the space bar. So it's easy, as you can see. Then let's insert a casework base, press the space bar once, and I will place it next to the previous element. Then another one here, and the third. This time I need to rotate it several times, and don't forget that the pointer must be at the back. Then I press Escape, and in the next step I need to go to the Modify tab, activate the Command Align to move all the elements next to each other without having gaps between them. I can also use a constraint for the casework, so that when I move one element, the others move together. Now we need to put the countertop above all these cabinets. There is also a sink there, but the problem is that the sink position is not exactly where I want, as it had to be on the left side. But don't worry, because we can use some tools at the Modify panel to fix this. First, I need the Rotate command. Click now to enter the Rotate ray, and then move to the left with an angle of 90 degrees. After, I need to use the mirror command with the option Draw Axis. It's simple. I'm going to draw an axis and the element will mirror to the other side of the line. Great. Now I need to erase the former element and finally move the countertop, click on it, activate Move. Let's select this corner as the base point and place it at the corner of the house. Then with the grips, I can drag the countertop to cover all the cabinets or use the Align tool in this way. Going back to the 3D view, this is how these elements look like inside the kitchen. As you can see, all the cabinets are facing correctly.